Okay, in this video I'll be trying this medicine. It's called the pale acne. This pale acne, I don't know, is it helpful, but I'm just gonna give it a try because I don't even want this because my dad decided to buy the lucidum, aka the Lingzhi. So I'll be trying this. I even said no to the sales associate. I even shake my head. I was like, no, please, I don't want to eat it. So yeah, now I just freaking get right into this shit. And they even like prompt us, like the sales associate say that a lot of like teenager eat this. I was like, what? Teenager eat this shit for their acne? So freaking weird. I was like, what? Since when teenager eat this shit? Okay, I don't know whether there's side effect in this shit, but let's hope that I won't die for eating this shit, man. They say eat 3 times a day. So morning. God, the smell is so bad. Oh my god. It smells like herbal shit, bro. Herbal shit. So this is the pills. Okay. Cheers, guys. Ew, it tastes like herbal. Wait, 1 second. I want to grab water. Drink the water. Never again. So bitter. There's a lot of medicine. There's even ginger.